Welcome to video 9 of this Management Information System video tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to come up with the account types, their segregation across different regions and their count in those different regions. For this, we have created a pivot table. In the previous video, you have seen how to create a pivot table based on certain table or an array. This is a result of few data that we got from company database. This is the company database from which we are creating the pivot table as it is shown here. If you see the settings of this pivot table, you will see that account type and region lie in the rows section of this pivot table, whereas account counts are present in the summation of values. So we have got a data based on which we are going to depict it pictorially using a graph. So this is a graph based off this data. This graph looks pretty good because it has all the labelings, but let us make some changes in that. A very useful function in the chart elements are data labels. If data labels are not here, you can see all the labels go off and it doesn't look so good while analyzing because we can't make up for what columns which accounts are present. So as you can see, here we have got data labels and there is an option of data callout which makes it looks beautiful with all the labels. Every column displays to which sector the particular company belongs to and in which region they fall under, with the total number of accounts. A normal graph doesn't have these functions such as count of account type, region or account type. These features makes it more dynamic, and we can have it from analyze option to field buttons. Here you can see the different options that are checked. Let us consider that axis field was not present. So you can see those features goes away. If value fields are absent, this feature count which was earlier present is now no more. So because of these field buttons, it makes the graph more user friendly and more interpretable. The other part of this is the use of slicer. For coming up with all these slicers, we first need to select the pivot table. So this is our pivot table. We then go to insert and then click on slicer. You can see there are various options which can be the parameter of this slicer. So based on what the account types and in which region they fall, this graph changes dynamically and the data also changes in accordance with that. So in this video we saw the usage of column charts, data labels, data callout, and also the use of slicers.